Welcome! Today I am with Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro and I'm going to show you how you can connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. So at the first we have to open the boot settings on our Redmi, tap on the switcher to enable Bluetooth, and next we have to open charging case of our Galaxy Buds Pro, just like that. And as you can see, they appears on the list, so you don't even have to do anything, but you can, for example, take them out of this charging case just like that and click on them to continue pair, confirm, click OK, and right now we are connected. So as you can see, it was very simple, and of course you can just start and listen to the music or video podcast that you want. And that's all. That's how easy you can pair the Galaxy Buds Pro to Redmi Note 10 Pro. Of course, in some cases you will not get the Buds Pro on the list. So what you have to do next? In the most cases, you have to turn off Wi-Fi, like I did on the start of the video. But also you can try to refresh the list and they will pop automatically. That's very simple. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.